not get me on film. I don't blame you. Your boots, and your pants, and your hair, and your shirt.
Yeah.
And your pretty little skin scrunchie.
You gotta say what she's doing.
She ate it.
What are you gonna do? She's eating a tablespoon of cinnamon.
Cinnamon, yummy.
The cinnamon challenge. Trying to swallow and not throw up. Show us, Haley.
Don't get cinnamon on my lizard.
Is it burnt?
burning?
Oh!
Don't laugh.
Get the water. Haley?
Your boots are wet now. Go brush your teeth.
Ew.
You're spraying your mouth too. There's still brown coming out.
I think if you could not laugh,